Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Lockdown Sing Song. Today is Tuesday. I don't know what date it is, but it's day 26 of these Lockdown Sing Songs. And I really do appreciate and I'm glad to know that so many of you are getting so much out of it. And as long as you are, I keep doing it. I'll be coming in out of the garden every day around 4:30 to get ready for you. Although I nearly missed my deadline today, I've lost all track of time. Today's song, I'd like to dedicate it to all the couples out there that are spending probably far more time together than they'd like and that they've been used to. And so this is a little reminder of why you got married in the first place. And it's a lovely, light-hearted song called the Golden Jubilee. Words were posted last night, and I'd like to sing it, especially for a few people. Tom Devaney over in London. Your son Kieran Devaney sent in this request because it's you're about to have a 94th birthday. So he'd love to be with you, no doubt, but these times haven't allowed it. So happy birthday, Tom, wherever you are, and whenever you tune in. I think you usually tune in at night. So happy birthday to you. Also, Jane Murphy, who always tunes in to me, fair play to you, and Michael Horton over in California, John Caravel, and Tony DeMarco. Your request for a song has been noted, duly noted, and I'll put it in the queue. So today, also I'd love to mention a great man, great fiddle player from Sligo. He was from around the corner from where I'm sitting now, a man by the name of Manus Maguire. He's a fantastic fiddle player and a doctor, and he retired from doctoring 4 years ago. And because of COVID, he's back with the doctor's hat on. So I'd like to send this song to him as well. Fair play to him and all the heroes on the front line who keep us all safe. And I hope you're all keeping safe out there too. And just because the weather is nice, it might burn some of this COVID away, but we still have to be careful and not put anyone at risk. So the song, Golden Jubilee. I couldn't find out who wrote it, so that must mean it's traditional. But I know Bridie Gallagher from Donegal used to sing it along with many others. My mother, I remember her singing it. She definitely knew it anyway. I think it was a big hit in the 30s. So anyway. Way down in the county Kerry, in a place they call Julie, a fine young couple there were with Kate and McGee. They were going to have a party for the Golden Jubilee. Now Kate says she's a Pat and Mickey, come listen here to me. Put on your oldie riches and your coat of evergreen. Take off your hat, your darling, and put on your cabin. Today's anyone that's having an anniversary. So be good to the spouse. It's not easy to live with either of you, I'd say. Hello also to my cousins in Idaho, Susan and Tim, and Ralph and Cheryl, and all the Shovers, and of course the gang in Seattle, and Brenda and John Denash and Patty Denash in Clooney Quinn, Elphin, County Roscommon. See you tomorrow at 5 o'clock, as sharp as we can make it. Bye.